How to sell personalized items on Shopify. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can sell personalized items on Shopify. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Shopify, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you could also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. However, in creating a personalized items to sell on Shopify, we're going to use this platform called TNBlue, in which it is a comprehensive app designed for Shopify merchants focused on print on demand and personalized products, in which it enables users to easily add extensive customization options to a wide variety of items such as t-shirts, mugs, and posters, and thereby enhancing the shopping experience for customers. And the app features intuitive interface that includes a mocking generator and real-time preview capabilities, allowing customers to visualize their personalized products before purchasing, which help reduce return rates. And now to create an account on this platform, just click the link in the description or click the Get Started button on the top right corner. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this Shopify App Store. And it will show you the overview about this application. It also show you how you can start installing the application. And make sure that you also sign into your Shopify account in order to use this or start installing this application. So from here on Shopify, just simply sign in your account in here to proceed installing this TNBlue product personalizer. And upon installing this, you will be directed on this page, in which it will show you on the left side panel some of the options that you can start navigating and to start creating or sell personalized items to sell on Shopify. The first thing that we need to do is to simply choose a fulfillment providers in here. By clicking this one, it will show us in here all of the list of provider, but in those options I'm going to choose Printify, and as you can see I've now considered connected. And to connect on this, all you need to do from here is simply paste the API key in here. So make sure that you also sign into your Printify account in here, wherein my online store of Shopify has been connected as you can see in here. And after signing in, just go back on this page and click Disconnections. Then you will be directed on this page of Printify, where you can simply generate your own API key by clicking this Generate button right here. Just enter the token name that you prefer. And it will show you that you can simply copy this API key and proceed by simply pasting in here. Upon pasting the key, you will now be able to be directed below. Then just click the Save button to start connecting your Printify to this platform. Then we can now proceed by adding or choosing a kind of product by clicking this Product Base button on the left side panel. Then click this Import Product on the top right corner to proceed. And it will show you on this pop-up window some of the provider that you can choose, but just click or choose Printify. Then you can simply search here some of the items you want to be personalized or start selling on Shopify. And as you can see, we have here a variety of items that you can choose from. But at this point, I'm going to choose the most common items to choose to be personalized, which is a t-shirt. So to search it, kindly go to the search bar and can enter the word t-shirt. And below here, it will show you a variety of options that you can choose from to start customizing this. You can simply click the Import button in here to proceed. So let's say in those options, I'm going to choose this simple jersey t-shirt. By clicking this Import button, just choose the print provider that you prefer and click the Import button to proceed. And after selecting your product base, we will be able to be directed on this page right here. And to start customizing the details of this product, kindly click on it, and then you will be able to be directed on this page right here. So you can start customizing some other product details, including the product title, description, and many more. But if you scroll down in here under variations, it will show you that you can simply add here a price to enter. And as you can see, we have here a variety of color and also a sizes as a variation. But at this point, I'm going to choose only the white color and also a few sizes of it. For instance, I'm going to choose the white extra small, a small, and also a white medium, in which I will input amounting to $40 US. And if you're now done, we can now proceed by going to the next step, which is by creating an artwork. And to do that, kindly click this artwork button on the left side panel to start creating a design that will be printed on that t-shirt. So from here, just click this new artwork button on the top right corner, in which upon clicking on it, it will show us in here on this pop-up window that all we need to do is to simply fill out the artwork details, including the name of it, and also the category, and also the artwork size. Under this size, I'm going to choose this import print area size. Then just select or type here the product, which is the t-shirt. And after that, below here, just scroll down until you find the save button to proceed. Then to start customizing, you can click this image button on the left side panel to start uploading or choosing an image in here as your design. But at this point, I'm going to upload from my computer files. And after uploading, kindly reload this file and also select this one. And as you can see, the design has now been uploaded in here, where we can start customizing the size of it and also the location of it to this design area. And you could also add here a text on the left side panel and simply enter here the right text or your preferred text in here. For example, I'm going to enter here the text which says, "Thank you for everything." And after entering the text, you could also start customizing the font style, font size, the font color of this text depending on your preferences, and also by using the editing tools that you can find on the top panel in here. And aside from that, let's say we're going to add additional context which can be personalized, and to do that, kind of click this text and enter the text that you prefer to add. Let's say at this point, I'm going to enter here a name that can be personalized. The name which is John. And upon entering the name John, we can now proceed by also navigating to change the location of it to this print area or to change the color of it depending on your preferences. But at this point, I'm going to make it red and going to place this context in here. And now to make it customizable by the customer, kind of click on this text and simply click this icon right here. Upon clicking this one, below just click Personalization Settings and click Enable Personalization. Now below under this option title, I'm going to enter here your name. So the customer can simply enter here the name in order to change this name in here. You could also make to input the text keys to allow customers to change font and many more. And by clicking the Save button on the top right corner, we will automatically save the changes for the artworks. And after that, just click the Campaigns button on the left side panel and click Product Base. And upon clicking this new campaign button, it will show us that we can simply add here the title to start creating a campaign. Then click this Available Products button or this plus button, then just choose the t-shirt. And after that, just select the artwork that we just customized earlier. However, as you can see, there's a variety of variations in here. And to delete some of those, kindly click this one and kindly uncheck all of this instead of our selected sizes and also color, which is only one color, which is white. And after that, from here, it will show us what it looks like. And to start customizing this mockup picture, we firstly need to make sure that we upload or add or select here the artwork that we just created. And then below, to edit this mockup, kindly proceed by clicking this icon button right here. Then you will be directed on this page where you can start clicking this Add Print area and just choose your artwork. So I'm going to choose this small font, and after that, it will show you what it looks like. And if you're now start or done creating or adding this design, kindly click the Save button on the top right corner to proceed. And from here, it will show you what it looks like. So as you can see under this personalization form, the customer can simply enter here the name that they prefer, and it will show you that the name on the shirt design has now been changed. And now to launch this, kindly click the launch button on the top right corner to be published on our Shopify store. And if you try to visit our Shopify store, this is basically what it looks like. By simply clicking on it, it will show us in here all of the details, and below is the personalization form, in which if you enter here the sample name, it will change the design or the name on the design. So overall, that is just basically how you can sell personalized items on Shopify. Thank you.